Hello everybody, Aki here. And this is Mother. I forgot to record the part 1. So I am sorry about that. So I'm going to make a new file but I'm going to stop there. This is just an introduction for the game. So I'm playing the 25th anniversary of Mother. So I hope you enjoy this, everybody. And thank you as always for watching. Oh, read. Oh, okay. I will just name the same so so you can distinguish it. So you can recognize the rate I'm making. Steady. Oh. Oh. Yes. In the early 1900s, a dark shadow covered a small country town in rural America. At that time, a young married couple vanished mysteriously from their home. The man's name was George. The woman's name was Maria. 2 years later, as suddenly as he left, George returned. He never told anyone where he had been or what he had done, but he began an odd study all by himself. As for Maria, his wife, she never returned. 8 years passed. 8 years have passed since then. Okay, this is the start. Oh, oink. So this is the start of the game. So I can play it a little. This is just the introduction. So this is just the introduction of the game. So I hope you enjoy this. Oh, excuse me. Hell man, I wish get back on this game, huh? You always eager. Brother, it's out. It's like our house is falling apart. Wow. Oh. Help. Wait, let's talk to our mother first. Are you okay, Nintendo? What on earth happened to our home? I'm so scared. If only your father here now. Oh, could you get it? Nintendo. Okay. Okay. Lola talks. Oh. Oh. Excuse me. I'm so sleepy after this recording. Bye. Oh. That was heavy. Okay. The mysterious phenomenon has stopped for now. Phew, that was scary. Oh, I think I see something inside my broken doll. Oh, of course, for sure. There's an odd music box inside the doll. As Nintendo opened the music box, a melody began to play. Nintendo learned that melody. Are you okay, Nintendo? Something happened to our home. I'm so scared. If only your father were here now. Phone, could you get it, Nintendo? Nintendo, pick up the telephone. Nintendo, hello, son. I see. Sounds like it must be some sort of poltergeist. I'm not sure what to do about it either. But your great grandfather did study PSI at one point. Perhaps there's something in the basement that helped. I know I put the basement key somewhere, but I can't remember where. Anyway, you're our only hope, son. Now it is time. Now is the time for an adventure. Go forth, Nintendo. Protect us all. Click. Oh, that was stupid. Are you? Okay. The same. Okay, this is the end of the introduction of the game. So, I'm going to edit it now. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you for watching.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave